Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like mine kind of well done and crispy. So if it's a little burnt, that's totally okay with me. All right, I believe it's ready. Oh, just beautiful. All right, hickory smoked Spam cooked on the Genesis base camp from Jetboil. Holy crap, that's good. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to take this inside to the adventure wifey. Have her make me a sandwich. Oh my God. All right, well, what started out as a Jetboil Genesis base camp video has turned into a commercial for hickory smoke flavored Spam. Oh my God.